Okay, I made a blue-boo in my last video because I didn't watch it and I can't do math sometimes, so let's do it again.
A boy can dream, can't he? Okay, the big story. The Jaguars have officially signed Tim Tebow. It's so official that the Jags team store has Tebow jerseys for sale alongside Travis Etienne and Trevor Lawrence.
Yeah, do you see it? Jaguars want to have a winning season, so they drafted Trevor Lawrence and Etienne in the first round, and they just signed free agent Tim Tebow to play tight end. Do you see it? This is from the Jacksonville Jaguars Pro Shop. A 1 of 1 of 7 of 13. Alright, I'm going to stop it there. Okay, now if you take 16 and add 85, you get 101. 101 with a 1. If you go outside, outside, inside, it would be 110. I'm going to call that 110. So we got to look at the 2143 now. So you got the number 1, you got the number 16, and you got the number 85. Okay? So right off the bat, I'm going to circle this 6 because it has a 1, and 1s are special. It's a bubble. And that's a 1 by 6 line to encircle that 6. And I'm going to say that we're going to take that 6 to make the 6, which is circled, a 12. But what happens with this one, because it's all alone, is that it's going to circle everything, in my mind, in cellular notation. Because you got to look at everything inside the equation. Now, if that 6 were to be doubled here, this would cause a double bubble. If you put a double bubble, it's still going to be 2 times 6, 2 1 by 6s. So I'm going to double the 6 twice, so, or double the cell twice. So this would be doubled again, and you get a 24. Okay? A circled 6 could be 12, or a doubly circled 6 could be a 24. Double, double. Now, your circled 85 is not going to circle the 8 and the 5. It's going to circle the 85, and I'm going to say that instead of a 1 by 85 here, we're not going to touch the 85 like we touched the 6 here. We're going to touch the 1. So we're going to have an 86. Now, 24 times 86 is 2064. You can do the math on that. 2064 is exactly negative 79 away from 2143. How do you get 79? Well, we're looking in cellular notation. Now we have a circle, a cell, with a circled 6 in it, and this one's not circled. So in order to circle the 85, that 85 is going to become a 13. So we're left with a 6 and a 13 in cellular notation. And if you were to multiply those two together, 78. And if you take this 1 to circle the 78, and let's call it a 1 by 78, and choose the 1, there's your 79 needed to get your 2143. Now, I gotta skip the shit that I was wrong about. And, sorry. Get back to the end part.
Playing for the Jaguars. And it's, if they do well, if they are winning, if they're a winning team, he will be the lone player who is still abstaining from jagging off.